That's the same one. What? Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. Ah, come on, what? Baby, you're a firework.
What is happening?
Oh. Okay, it's not working. Clearly, he broke it.
What do you mean? What are you talking about?
Now you fixed it to the point where he can't shoot the TNT even with explode on.
Like, why would he be able to shoot it with explode?
Why is there an explode flag if it's not meant to work?
Because you want what you're trying to do is the ignite flag. The ignite flag.
Well, here. If you think it's gonna work, try to do the one in the item frame. Wasn't that what initially worked? I don't know. Oh
no!
Oh shoot!
It never worked.
Uh-oh! Ah!
You big dummy!
Oh no! Oh no!
So, to be absolutely certain, you wanted that to happen, right?
Nope, he griefed me. Nope, he did it on purpose. That was
terms. It's not griefing.
I have logs showing that ignite and explode were true. Hence, it's not his fault.
It was a joke.
Mm-hmm.
Dang it! Nah.
It is what he wanted to do.
I have too much. It's spring cleaning. It's a little too early for that, but.
Did you guys get in?
Yeah.
Ugh. I don't like this game.
What is it?
Wait,
this is a little crooked. Wait. Oh. I can't seem to play. Oh, there we go. Wait. What if one of these is a trap chest? Oh shit! Oh no! I didn't mean to do that. Uh-oh. Oh man, that was not.
And
Shoot
I'm
it.
falling.
Shooty. Oh no, it's gonna get the other chest.
Ooh.
I think this is Cobble. Oh wait, no, that's me.
Is doing concerning things.
Oh no, dude, this thing is gonna crash at SMP8.
Sorry, Bonnie.
What's the
No, it's
TPS? Oh, the TPS hasn't dropped yet. We need to blow more up. Oh. Whoa.
Oh, that
Yeah, no.
Let's go. Why does it take so long to break? That's not cool. Is this someone? It's not letting me break it. Distraction.
That's not something you hear every day.
Whoa, look at do you see the wool glitching out? It just keeps falling. Yeah, we need to drop it. Blow up more! This is just cobble, we can blow this up.
Didn't break nothing.
I can't even see. So is this Moople or is this Elfin? I feel like this is Elfin. This is too chaotic. Oh, there's two of them. Oh, they're both of them doing it. Nope.
got these chests.
No, this is all cobble. Oh! Let's go. This is gonna be good.
Look to your right.
To the right. Do it. It's like bowling. Those are the pins.
It's a very, very weak explosion radius, so it's not like it would detonate the entire server. Whee!
Nice. That was actually a lot bigger than I was expecting. Legit, let's do it again. Wait, what is this? Fish! Ah, fish! Huh. I found my married fish. All right, well, nothing to see here. We're just going to cover this up. We don't even have the ability to click on it?
Nope. You need up to even interact with it.
Lay your eyes on it. So what's with the random TNT just list? Oh, I think someone's using World Edit. Oh yeah. How did you do that? You just slide it on top?
Replace
Oh,
the,
world
yeah,
edit.
yep, world edit. I don't think it's working though. I might have to
I was
help
gonna
this
say I
again.
don't know if that was intentional on doing that or if it was
Well, it
more
was 100%
so.
intentional. I just didn't think it would
I was.
take forever in a day.
Where did these villagers come from? There's 3 of them now. Or 2 of them. Someone's
Why
doing
doesn't
funny business. here.
fire set off the TNT in this circumstance? That makes no sense. All right, I'm gonna help it.
World edit witchcraft.
Wait, can your if you set off TNT?
Hey,
will it-
coming!
I was gonna ask if you're.
Oh. Oh. I didn't think that through.
That overshot a little.
Yeah, I always blocks faded. Just tell me which ones and I'll give it to you.
What?
Couple of them went a little crazy and I saw some blocks break.
No, that's actually pretty bad. I like that. I don't really
Yeah.
use it, so that's okay.
Well, still, it got damaged because there's stuff missing, like torches and stone.
To be fair, the first one got the left side or the right side where Moople is right now, but I don't really care. Because I don't have... It's kind of a meme at this point. I've been working
and
on
then
this
there's one
thing
in
for
the middle,
years.
and then there's one over here.
I hate
You don't
this.
need Band-Aid, you're fine. I'll be there in a moment.
Apparently, you can stop in the road right here.
I guess we're gonna patch up this hole, right, Pig?
Every time you say pig, it makes me think of bait. That'll do. Okay.
Do you think it will blow up? All right. Well, Pig, we got a lot of work to do here, so keep. Yeah. Well, you do no, man. You
You have to
don't
go
just
into the
explode
block.
it in the middle. You're supposed to explode it at the end, because that's when ricochets happen, man. Come on. Well,
Until it runs into that situation where it's just like a chain of 3 that's taking a sweet
what
time.
happened to those shulkers in the chests?
Here it's closer to 8.
So does TNT sometimes break the TNT block and not ignite it?
I assume it's theoretically possible, but that said, I've never seen it happen. So
Pig, you missed a spot. Man, your aim sucks. Ah, that's a lie. You were too high. They break. Wait, did they really? Here, try to shoot it.
hold on.
Oh,
Two. Oh.
that was offsides. Did it just bounce off the villager? Oh, I feel guilty. There goes 80 rupees or 70 rupees or whatever. Okay, well, this guy, well, yeah, but I kind of feel like he needs to go in witness protection. Oh, whoa. Oh my gosh. There's a someone procreated a lot of villagers out of the middle of nowhere. Which one's Bob? I think I have Ippy's axe. This says EFMU. What does that mean? FMU? Emu? For all we could know, Moople could be one of these that we just killed. How much TNT's down there? Oh my gosh, why do they look so weird? Those are some white pigs.
Oh man.
Maybe it's the lighting glitched out. I don't know. It looks really weird up there. Oh. Well, and there's also a lot of light there. I don't know. So, whoa, that was a lot of dirt. Oh, I found one of your piles. I'm gonna call you, what is it? Private pile? Yes. Is this what they call a haboob? I don't know. If this isn't a haboob, I don't know what is.
Definitely thought you just called Elton a boot, and it was like, wait, what? And
Oh
then
my
you
gosh,
said-
these are some loving piggies. Hey, Ulti, you can
That's-
learn something from these guys.
I spent time in Arizona, so I know exactly what he was talking about. It was hysterical.
Oh my gosh, it's like when you go on the beach and you get sand in your butt crack. It's just you can't get rid of it.